today's live and yo, hey guys, you're welcome to today's live session. Uh, it's nice to have you here, and my name is Digitz. Okay, so my name is Digitz, like you know. Okay. Is can you hear me? If you can see me, you can hear me. Can you react using the like button? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Okay, good. So welcome to today's live. Like I said, I'll be your host, Sir Digit. I'm Sir Digit. You can also call me Digit here. Today we'll be talking about a lot of things, a lot of things when it comes to trading. Yeah. Today we'll be talking about level trading. First of all, I know most of us here are new to trading. Most of us here are new to the whole trading hemisphere, new to the charts, new to analysis, yeah, new to different things, yeah, from technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Uh, but before we could start anything, hope you have downloaded your BtcDana app. It's very important. BtcDana app. Hope you downloaded it. If not, check in the description. You'll see where you can click on the link and download and register. Yes, and register. Yes. So now, so that you can partake in anything. Now, why you're doing that, why you're registering, so that you can partake in anything I have, any maybe trades that I get to share by down the line. Now, excuse me. Yeah. So hold on. Okay. 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 All right. All right. So I will be sharing some information about how I trade. Now, when it comes to trading, there are different ways different people trade. Yeah, different ways different people trade. But I'll be taking you along on how I do my trading. It's very important I show you how I trade. Yeah. I do what is called my type of trading style is called level trading. Now, level trading is a kind of trading that involves the use of the the premium and discount arrays and Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, if you're new here, you might not know what those things are. Now, the Fibonacci retracement tool is a tool that is used to calculate, when plotted on the chart, it is used to calculate when the price might probably reverse. It's it's a very key tool in technical analysis. If you're a technical analyst, you can be taking advantage of this technical tool called the Fibonacci retracement tool. And if you're new, of course, I could guide you. I'll let you know how I use it. Yeah. Then premium and discount arrays. Now, in fact, let me not say much. Let me see if how many of us have heard those things. First of all, how many of us have heard about these things? If you've heard about them, good. If you've heard about the premium and discount arrays, that's very good. And if you've heard about them, okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. So once again, my name is Sir Digits. Yeah. I am a level trader. By level trading, I mean I trade basically premium and discount arrays and Fibonacci retracement tools plus your FVG with other concepts. But these are the three major concepts I use while trading. These are these three things I mentioned: the Fibonacci retracement tool, the premium and discount arrays, and the averages. They are very key in my trading. Now, I've been trading for like, say, 2 years now. Yeah, 2 years now. And trading has been a journey. It's been a very great journey for me. I don't know about you, but trading has been a very great journey for me. It's been a very great journey for me. It's been it's been lovely. It's been nice, very nice. Okay, so okay, okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I was thinking about showing us something very key, something very instrumental. Yeah, how my trading style basically. It's very important. I show you how I trade. Okay, it's very important. I show you how I trade. Okay, very important. I show you how I trade. Now I'll share my screen now. I hope you can see. Okay, so can you see what I'm saying? Okay. Okay. All right, now let's enjoy it. This is level trading with Digits. So yes, now okay, now like I said, anybody can learn trading. Why not you? So so our focus is what? Premium and discount. This is lesson one. Premium and discount arrays. The premium and discount zones, which is also known as premium and discount arrays, and Fibonacci retracement zone. Now this is yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed. Now uh now the next slide. Let's see the next slide. Now what is level trading? Now basically what level trading is. This is what level trading is. Now now what is level trading? Now what is level trading? Basically, what price does not what? Price does not move randomly. Now what it means is price doesn't just go anyhow, it doesn't just go up and down, up and down, up and down. Price actually what? Moves between levels. That means there is a particular point price hits before it reverses. There's a particular point price hits before it goes up. Now, yeah, these levels are points on the chart where what price tends to slow down, turn around, or react. You understand? Just like okay, let's for example, let's see just see the levels as bus stops. Like if you're on the road, if you're moving on the road, yes, if you're moving on the road in Nigeria, you have different bus stops. Now, these bus stops are bus stops where these bus stops are where uh, road users, which is the price, make movements, make decisions. You understand? Now, a decision could be reversal, a decision could be following up. That's continuation. You understand? Could be even consolidation. So there are different things. These decisions are made at the bus stop. Let me call the bus stops the points here now. A turnaround or react. Now, instead of guessing, a level trader watches these specific zones and waits for price to arrive at one before paying close attention. So what it means is before you don't just react on the chart. You wait for price to you can see this picture here. Sorry. You wait for price to what? Get to this zone before you do anything. You wait for price to what? Get to your zone before you do anything. So there's a zone before you because basically on the chart when it comes to trading, we only do two things basically. Okay, we do three things. We buy, we sell, and we wait. Yeah, but basically, buy, you sell, you wait. So either you buying or you selling or you're waiting. So you wait. You have so the waiting. You have to wait the price gets into the zone before you do anything. Now, a level trader, like I said, a level trader watches these specific zones and waits for price to arrive at one before what paying close attention. Now the next thing is so this guide introduces two of the most important zones every trader should know. Now every trader should know the premium zone and the discount zone. The premium zone and the discount zone. Now what is the premium? What is the discount zone? Now two zones every trader should know. Every price range can be split into two halves. Each half has its own name and its color okay, I even made it easier. I color coded it so that you cannot know the meaning. Yeah, and it has its own words bias. Now we have the premium zone, which is the above 50%. Yes, which is the above 50%. And in this premium zone, the sellers are looking for a sell opportunity. In the premium zone, this red one here, this one here, the sellers are looking for what? A selling opportunity, meaning any sell should be placed around or in that zone. Then we have the discount zone. Now the discount zone is where the buyers are looking for a buy opportunity, which is the the below the 50%, below 50% of the midline when you draw it below 50% of the midline. So I'll be taking us to the chart after this, but then below 50% of the midline. So this is where the buyers look for a buy opportunity. So regardless of whatever you trade, you should only buy in the discount zone and only sell in the premium zone. Yes. Now, okay, now this is a clear picture of how it looks. Now, take the 50% midline. This is the 50% midline here. Sorry. Okay. So this is the 50% midline here. Now, I said what? Take the distance between the swing high and the swing low. Let's assume this is a swing high, then this is a swing low. So the total distance between them, you measure it using your premium and discount array. That's using that the tool. I will show you the tool I use. Yeah, I actually use my gum box to measure my premium and discount arrays. So, and you measure it. The top 50% is your what premium, then the bottom 50% is your discount. Then the 50% midline is called the what equilibrium. And like I said, do not sell in the discount zone. You will be taken out as liquidity. It is very, very sure that you'll be taken out as liquidity. Then do not buy in the premium zone. It is very, very sure that you'll be taken out as liquidity. Yeah, please don't take that risk. Then the next thing I want you to show is, like I said, the premium 50%. As I said, when price is trading in the upper half of the range, it is considered expensive relative to the recent range. Yeah. So this is generally the zone where sellers are looking to sell. They look for to sell. Price has a room to fall back towards the equilibrium or lower. That's the buyers. Look for opportunities to sell here, not to buy, which is what I just told you. You only look for opportunities to buy to sell in the premium. This is the premium, the one colored red. This reddish one I'm seeing my mouse is. That's the premium. Then for the discount. Now, when price is trading in the when price is here. See if you see price is here, then there's an opportunity for what? For we to buy. Of course, before you even start anything, before you know, how do you know your premium and discount zone? That's one question. Remember, I told you you look for the top, your most recent swing high to a swing low. Then you draw it there. I'll be showing us a practical. Don't worry. After this, after drawing the array, then the upper side is the premium, then the lower side is what the discount. So in this discount, you look towards buy. You only look to buy in the discount zone. Then do not sell in the discount. Now, there's something you need to know about the zones. A zone is not automatic. Your premium and discount zones are not automatic. That means they are not automatic price signals, because price is in the premium zone does not automatically mean you should sell. Because prime price is in the discount zone does not automatically mean you should buy. Now, what do you do? The zone only tells you where to pay attention. It does not tell you when to enter a trade. Before acting inside the zone, there are specific things a trader must look out for first. And we will cover this in the next lesson. So I just want you to just be able to, for this lesson, I want you to be able to identify the zones. Our goal is to what? Identify the zones. So when you look at the market, you should be able to identify your premium and discount zone. Now, okay, so just hold on. I want to show you something now. You should be able to what? Identify your premium and discount zone. I think those identifying those zones are very, very easy. Yeah. And it works. It works basically for any chart. Be it your crypto chart, your forex chart, it works. It's what I use. It's what I've been using for the years now, and it's very effective, very efficient. Yeah. So now, then the next thing I want you to know is, yeah, the next part of the slide is now. Hope you're with me. Okay, here. Okay. Then the next part of the slide is we have an array. Now, an array is simply the set of tools. Okay, premium and discount arrays. This is okay. Now, I told you this lesson is basically for your premium and discount zone, and we are merging it with your word with the Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, basically, an array is a set of tools and levels a trader uses to map a range into its premium and discount. Okay, then there is the framework you use to draw. Okay, so basically, now what this is saying basically, what tool will you use to map out your words, your premium and discount zone, so you can know when to take entries, right? And I told you I'll tell you that later, but now we're talking about the tool you use. Now, what tool will you use? So, a very important tool is what? The Fibonacci retracement tool. We'll be talking about the Fibonacci retracement tool. This is what most traders use to map out their words, premium and discount zones. Now, look at this. You need the Fibonacci retracement tool. The Fibonacci retracement tool measures a price move from a swing high to a swing low, or it could be from a swing low to a high, anyone, and divides it into percentage levels. Now, each level marks out the points where price previously reacted, giving a map of the range rather than instead of a blank chart. Now, what did he say? These percentage levels are exactly what turn a plain range into a discount arrays. The into a premium and discount arrays. What it says basically is the Fibonacci retracement tool helps you just to convert um, helps you to convert a plain range into a premium and discount. Yeah, that's what it's saying basically. Now, okay, so so let's not talk too much. Let me show us some things. I want to show us some things here. Okay. All right. So let's okay, okay. All right. So let me show us some things. I'm actually gonna show you some things. So now look at this. Look at this chart. Can you look at this let me call it this meter, this calibrated meter? Yes. Now we have 0%. 0% is 0% is the prim is the low, is the swing low, then the 100% is the swing high. Do you understand? Now we have 0%, 23%. Now 23% is below your 23% is below the what? 23% is below the 50%, is the 50% midline. So obviously it's a discount zone. Then 38.2 is below the 50% midline. Also, it's a discount zone. Then 50% is the equilibrium that we all know. So 50% is the equilibrium that we all know. The 50% is the equilibrium that we all know. Then the 61.8% is a premium. 79% is another premium. Then then the 100%, of course, it's premium, right? Anything, like I said, anything above 50% is a anything above 50% is what? Premium. Anything below 50% is discount. Yes. So now, yes, 23% is in the discount zone. Yes. 23% is discount. Yes, that's true. 20% is in the discount. Now, then the next thing, the next thing we'll be moving into is uh yes, Mr. Bible. 23% is in the discount. Yes. 23% is in the discount. Okay. Oh, okay. My voice quality is low. Oh, very sorry about that. Very sorry about that. Okay. Uh, now then the next then let's move on to the next. Now, how to draw it. Now, how do you draw this? How do you draw your how do you use the tool basically? How do you use this Fibonacci retracement tool? Now, it says here. Of course, I'll be giving you a practical. It says find a swing high. Find a clear swing low. You see, then which is locate a. Okay, let's. You know what we'll do? I will be talking and showing us examples so that it will be very easy for us to understand because trading is practical. Trading, if you're not practicing it, you don't really understand it. Okay, so I'm trying. Okay, so like I said here, find the clear swing low. Then you locate a recent low in the in your charts. Then you find a clear swing high. You locate a recent high. Then you draw you move your cursor from the bottom from your swing low straight start from the swing low to the swing high. It's very easy. So just hold on. I'm trying to do something for us now. I'm trying to make things easier for us. Okay. Okay. Now on what time frame? Now this works on every time frame. This works on every time frame. Now, knowing how to switch between time frames is another thing that over time you need to learn. Yeah, I cannot teach that one today. I can't teach you how to switch between time frames or time. Let me call it time frame relativity. I can't teach you time frame relativity today because that's a whole topic on its own. But it works on every time frame. I promise you that it works on every time frame. You know, time is in trading. They would always say you must have heard the term time is fractal. Time is fractal, meaning anything that happens in the higher time frame happens in the lower time frame, happens in the medium time frame. That's anything that happens on one day happens in 1 week, happens in uh, 1 minute, 15 seconds. Of course, I won't have actually use 15 seconds, but let me say 1 minute, yes. So there's time is fractal, time relativity. Yeah, basically, so it works on every time frame. So I'm trying to do something here. I'm trying to sign into my trading view account so you guys could have a very clear practical on how this works. Uh, yeah, time is fractal. Yeah, time is fractal. Works different into different time to time frames. Okay. Oh, you saw it in your book. Okay, 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 okay. Which book is that? Which book is that? Mr. Bible. Which book is that? Welcome, Mr. Ebio. Welcome, Ebio. You're welcome. Zoe, okay. Thank you. She said I'm doing great. Uh, Precious Uche. Hi, Precious Uche. Nizam. Oh, okay. All right. So now I wanted to show us something. So I want to show us how I use my Fibonacci retracement. So let's say we're going to be selecting gold now. Okay. So can you see my screen now? Okay. Yeah. 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 You can see it. Now we're going to be selecting gold. Can you see it? We're going to be selecting gold. Now let's put this in 1 day. Yes. Now in the 1 day. No. Unless it's BTC. I like BTC. I like trading BTC. So I know. I know what's coming. Uh, uh, let's put it on 1 day. Now, okay, so I want to show us how we can do it. So just look at the screen. Yeah. Okay. So now your Fibonacci retracement tool. This is how you get it. Sorry guys. This is how you get your Fibonacci retracement tool. So if you have trading view, okay, come here, somewhere here. Can you see this? Can you see this part? Click on it. This gun where the roads gun and the gun box and the Fibonacci retracement. So we select the Fibonacci retracement tool. These two. Now most you can customize this tool. First of all, you can customize this tool. Now, I'll tell you what I mean by customization. Customize is, man, let's just select it. Yeah. Now, now your swing high and swing low. First of all, this is a swing high. This is a swing low. This is a swing high. This is a swing low. Sorry, mistake. So let's use the most recent one. Let's use the most recent one. Then let's select it again. Let's select the two again. This is our swing high. And this is our swing low. Yeah. Now this is it. This is our swing high. And this is our swing low. This is what I used to in my swing low. So now we are expecting price to reverse. Now, first of all, this is your swing high, this is your swing low, right? So this place, okay. Oh, can you hear me now? Can you hear me better now? Can you hear me, sir? I'm so sorry if you cannot hear me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Uh, so this is your swing high. This is your swing low. Okay, good, 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 good. You can hear me. Good. So this is your swing high. This is your swing low. Now we are looking for what? 50%. This is where we're expecting price to come. So if you want to sell, you're expecting that price should come here. Price should react here. Yeah, you're expecting price what should react here. Expecting a reaction. Thank you, Mr. Witt. We're expecting a reaction here. Yeah, based on this. But remember, I told you when you're using the Fibonacci retracement tool, it is not an automatic buy or sell signal. Do you understand? It is not an automatic buy or sell signal. So even if price gets here, if price comes here, we automatically know that what we are we should be looking for sales. I will advise you look for sales. But when price is here, I will advise you look for buys. Now, knowing where to buy, it's something like I said you. We will talk about that in subsequent, probably in other lessons, in subsequent lessons. But you see this zone 100%. This is premium, 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 equilibrium. Then discounts. You see, and watch most times price bots, bots. Look at the buys. The buys are heavy. The buys are heavy. Even if there are some sales here, mainly price was buying. Price was buying. Yeah. Okay. So you said. So what other signs are necessary? Like I said, like I said, you can follow you. What other signs are necessary? I will be talking about that in subsequent times. So now I'm sure you know how to mark your premium and discount zones. If yes, you know how to mark that. It's you know how to mark that using your Fibonacci retracement tool. Yeah. So you know how to your Fibonacci retracement tool. I've shown you the swing high. I've shown you the swing low. Uh, so guys, what else? Not okay. So this is a quick recap. Let's do a quick recap of what we did. So basically, range is split at 50%. I explained that, right? Yes, the range is split at 50%. Now I said the range, I told you the premium gives you a sell bias. That's you should be looking out for sales there. That's what it is. Then the discount gives you a buy bias. Now the arrays map the range. You know what it is. The tool. Your array is the tool you use. That's your Fibonacci retracement tool. It's what you use to map the range. Yeah. There are other tools you need to you can use too, but nah, I wouldn't want to go into that. So you use your Fibonacci retracement tool to map the range, and I showed you how to get your Fibonacci retracement tool. Now, there's what is called the golden zone. This golden zone is something. It's okay. This is me selling, giving you a secret. This is a real secret. This is let me call it special. But this is sacred material. Yeah, this is sacred material. But I will tell you, I will share it now. I said the golden zone now between the 61% zone, 79% zone retracement levels. It sits a special band traders called golden zone. It marks the deepest and most significant part of a retracement, where price has the strongest reaction. It is the zone where what? It is the zone traders watch most closely when a move enters premium or discounts. Now, what it is basically saying that you see this zone, yeah, this zone. Let me mark it out here. You see this zone. You see this place that is colored red, eh? This place that is colored red. If price enters this place that is colored red, that I colored red now. Sorry guys, can you see it? Yeah, this place I colored red. You see, if price enters this place, if price moves like this, let's assume price goes like this, comes then comes here, there's a high probability you're gonna sell. Now I told you everything I tell you it's not automatic. It's not what automatic. It does not just happen. Yeah, you must look out for signs and signals. Yeah. So, but once price comes here, it's a zone. It's called the golden zone. Yeah, and most times you could sell from here. Of course, if you get your stop loss right and if you get the whole thing right, you could sell from here. Yeah, but I'll tell you again, don't do anything blindly. Do it with precision. You must do everything with precision. So this is your golden zone. You can sell from there. And what else again? Uh, Now, the golden zone is found in different types of what's it called? It's found in different types of it's found in either your what is it called? Your okay. So do we have golden zone at discount level? Okay, yeah, yeah. That was actually what I was about to address. Yeah, 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 yeah. So you have this golden zone at premium levels. You have this golden zone at discount levels. Now, remember, let me give you an example of golden zone at the one I just did now is okay. This was golden zone at premium levels. So I want to show us golden zone at discount levels. Now, let's look for when because BTC is selling. So we need to look for where when there was a golden zone at discount level. Okay, where BTC was buying. Okay, good. I think this was it. Wait, I think this was it. This see here. Hey, there was a massive buy. Hey, sorry. So you from the swing low to the swing high. Do you see it? Can you see it? This is the golden zone. Now I'm going to mark it with green now. I'll change it to green so that you can see that it's buy. Can you see it? Can you see its price reacted around here? Can you see it? Can you see price reacted around there? So that was the golden zone around the premium level. Okay. So now this is golden zone around this. Sorry, this is golden zone around your discount level. So you see, it works both for premium and discount. So guys, so this is it's been nice having you here. It's been nice chatting with you. It's been nice chatting with you. And what else? So like I said, everybody can learn trading. Why not you? Now, if you want more, of course, we can. If you want more information, maybe you want. We have a newbie. We kind of have like we have a newbie group. Yes, we have a newbie group where you could join and you know get much more in-depth knowledge. Where we have traders, you can get more in-depth knowledge about trading. And like I said, once again, anybody can learn trading. Why not you? So you can learn and get better at trading. And hey, Ara, you're welcome. See if you can understand this now. If you want to understand it, if you want a better, a clearer understanding, you can join our group. Yes, you can join our group. So I think now, like, remember, anybody can trade, can learn trading. Why not you? And lastly, these zones are not automatic. They are not automatic. Your Fibonacci retracements to okay, no, sorry, your golden zone, your premium and discount zone, and your they are not what automatic signals. They are things you look for before you do it. And if you want some of this, this is special info. This is special info. So if you want more, you can join our like I said, you can join our group. You can join our Telegram group if you want more information. And it's been nice having thank you for having me here. It's been nice chatting with you, sharing this small knowledge, this knowledge I have that can actually make you profitable. Yeah, it can actually make you profitable if you actually use it well. What else? I think I think one or two questions that I can, you know, you have one or two questions. I also have one or two questions on this topic. Does anybody have a question in the chat? Does anybody have any question? Hey, Abdurrahman, welcome. Does anybody have a question? Okay, we are some question then. Mm, Okay. Uh, okay. 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 Yeah, anything I missed? Okay, nobody has a question. I was actually looking for a question. Okay, how to make money on it? Huh? How do you make money on this? It's very, very easy then. How you make money on it? It's very, very easy. You can join our groups. Yeah, we have inner circle groups. We have groups where we share more information, and we also have inner circle groups where we bring you closer and guide you. Yeah, you have guidance on how to trade. And all right, guys, you're welcome. Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me. Once again, it's been it's been a it's been a great great opportunity. Thank you for having me. See you in the next class or next live. Bye.